We're sailing and conditions are perfect to hoist our Code Zero or Screecher.
So in this video, we're gonna fly our Code Zero. Also, while we fly it, we're gonna install a tweaker or barber hauler on the sheet lead and talk about advanced sail trim with our Code Zero.
All right, we got a few things to set up, but then watch us hoist.
We have hoisted our Code Zero. We've run our sheets, blocks, everything is set, but we're still sailing with our jib and main. We're currently set close hauled here. Before we take out our head sail, we need to take our jib, and before we put in our jib, we need to bear away. All the times we want to furl or unfurl a head sail, we bear away to a broad reach. The reason being is we don't want our sail to flap in the wind. So if we're close hauled and we ease the sheets, it's gonna flap and flog, and that really degrades the sail. Bad for your equipment. In this case, we're gonna show how we just turn off to a broad reach. We reduce our apparent wind, and the pressure on the sail is quite easy. You can even furl it by hand. So are you ready, Panda, to bear away?
I'm ready to bear away.
Okay, so we're bearing away from close reaching here. Gonna turn off to a nice broad reach. Amanda's gonna ease that jib, help us turn. And there's no rush in this operation. We're just gonna get the boat going nicely on a broad reach, and then we can furl in our head sail and pull out our code. Okay, we are on a broad reach right now. There we go, let me turn off a little bit more. So about a true wind angle of 130. Our apparent is just aft of the beam. We can see in the sail we've lost all of our apparent wind. So it's quite easy on the equipment and the gear to furl in. So Panda, you are ready on the furl, is that right?
Ready on the furl.
Okay, and I am ready on the sheet. Go right ahead.
All right, furling.
As she furls, I'm going to ease this sheet, and really there is no pressure on the sail. I'm going to take the sheet fully off. Good, right there.
Okay.
Okay, so she's done. I'm going to pull the excess jib sheet in so it's taut. And our jib is in. We're on a broad reach. Our pilot is driving just fine. The boat's under control, and there was no drama in that furl. Also, we're ready to now unfurl our Code Zero. So we're on that same broad reach. Panda's conveniently already there on our starboard Code Zero sheet. And we can unfurl shortly.
Yeah, I'm just getting the sheet on the winch over here.
Yeah, that other winch should be clear, I think, or the other line should be clear.
Always good to check that your leeward sheet is going to be running free.
Also that your sheets are running clear of stanchions. So in the case of the Code Zero, we put our sheets inboard of the stanchions and shrouds and dagger boards. When we're flying our spinnaker, we will put the sheets outboard. Really good to double check before you unfurl that you have run that sheet correctly. So in this case, our sheets look good and we're ready to unfurl. All right, so Panda, are you good?
I'm ready on the sheet.
Okay, great. And I'm ready on the electric furl. So in this case, it's an electric furler on the Code Zero. I just have a button here that I can furl and unfurl. First, I'm going to check the direction, find which direction I need to unfurl, and then we'll go. Okay, unfurling. And I'm unfurling at the same rate that she is bringing in the sail. Our goal is to unfurl without flogging the sail too much. I have unfurled. I'm done with my operation. She is just going to trim up as we need. So in this case, Panda, I'm going to come up into the wind a little bit. So I can turn the boat off of pilot and turn up into the wind, generate a little more apparent. We have right now kind of a nasty side swell, so it's causing a lot of flogging in our main. Okay, Panda, I'm just coming up more.
I'm gonna run forward real quick.
Yeah. So the reason we like to move that sheet down is we don't want to cause any friction on that head sail. So we'll pull that lazy sheet down so it's just at the drum of the jib. There we go. Now we're powered up. Excellent. That's great right there, Panda.
Okay.
Let's talk about what the next plan is. So we're flying now with our Code Zero on a nice reach. We've really powered up the boat. Pippi feels great once more.
So just like any other head sail, the Code Zero or Screecher has telltales running up the luff. You're going to use that to be able to sail to the telltales. Same thing, want them to fly together.
So I'm driving the boat right now, keeping the telltales flying together. If the sail starts to luff, I can bear away. If the telltales start to fly in opposite directions, I could come back up into the wind. So this Code Zero is, no different than any other head sail.